Hello viewers, welcome to the channel Amazing Civil Engineering Studies. Here we will learn about different concepts related to civil engineering. Time to enter the world of civil engineering. In today's video we are going to discuss about technical terms for civil engineers. Point number 1. Vibration in freshly made concrete is done to remove the air and bubbles in concrete mix. As we know that we use the vibrating tools while constructing the slabs, beam, columns. We use this to remove air and bubbles. Because if we do not remove this, it will create pores and voids, which will affect the strength of the concrete in a reinforced concrete structure. Point number 2. Starter in column thickness should be between 100 mm to 200 mm, or 2 inches to 4 inches. As we know, we provide starter in reinforced column on which we fix the formwork or shuttering of column. It will give us a good result when we use starter at the base of the column. See figure. Point number 3. Lapping of the bar should not be provided at the end of the support. As we know, we provide lapping length specially for the steel bars. As we know, the standard length of the steel bar is 12 meters. If we want to increase the length of steel bar, we will do lapping. Lap length of columns, beams, and slab, M20 concrete. Columns 45 D, D is diameter. Beams 60 D. Slab 60 D. So if we use 20 mm diameter column bars, we have to provide a minimum lap of 45*20 equals 900 mm. Point number 4. Use 50D formula for lap length. Here D is diameter of the bar we are using for main bar, distribution bar, longitudinal bar in compression and tension members. Point number 5. Reinforced cement concrete column legs should be 9D. The leg that is bent for the column and attached with the footing should be 9D. Point number 6. Water cement ratio should be between 0.45 to 0.60 of the volume of concrete. Water cement ratio means the ratio between the weight of water to the weight of cement used in concrete mix. Normally water cement ratio falls under 0.4 to 0.6 as per IS code 10262, 2009, for nominal mix, M10 M15 M25. We all know that water cement ratio will directly affect the strength of concrete. Either it increases the strength if used in correct proportion or decrease it. Point number 7. If steel bar does not have ring on the surface or improper rings on the steel bars, do not use the steel bars. If this is improper, due to that there is problem in bonding with the concrete. So never use that steel having improper or no rings. Point number 8. Development length should be provided in the plinth and top beam. A development length can be defined as the amount of reinforcement, bar, length needed to be embedded or projected into the column to establish the desired bond strength between the concrete and steel. Reason for providing development length. Proper development length in reinforcement bars shall be provided as per the steel grade considered in design. Otherwise, where less development length is provided, the structures will be prone to encounter failure due to slippage of joints, bonds, anchors and laps. Point number 9. Concrete should be used within 30 minutes to get good results. To minimize shrinkage, the concrete should be as cool as practicable when placed. The uniformity of the materials is important and should receive proper attention. In lifts, placement should not be continuous. A minimum period of 30 minutes. Best repairs are obtained when the lowest practicable slump is used. Point number 10. M20 grade concrete is generally used in construction of slab. The M20 grade has a composition ratio of 1:1.5:3 where 1 is cement, 1.5 is fine aggregate, sand, and 3 is coarse aggregate. Point number 11. Weight of steel bar is calculated using D2/162 formula, where D is diameter of the bar used, N is in millimeter, mm. This will give you the weight of 1 meter length of bar. Point number 12. The number of bricks required for 1 cubic meter is 550 bricks. Standard size of brick is varied according to the region. In India, the standard size of brick is 190 mm x 90 mm x 90 mm. According to Indian standard size of brick have dimension 190 mm x 90 mm x 90 mm. Volume of 1 brick equals 0.19 m x 0.09 m x 0.09 m equals 0.001539 meter cube. Add 1 cm for mortar, that is 0.20 m x 0.10 m x 0.10 m equals 0.002 cubic meter. No of bricks in 1 cum equals volume of bricks equals 1/0.002 equals 500. For estimating number of bricks required, 10% wastage also added in actual used brick. Number of brick required for 1 cubic meter wall equals 500 plus 50 equals 550 numbers. In India, there are other dimension bricks also, such as 230 times 115 times 75 mm. Then it is calculated by same method for other sizes of bricks also. Point number 13. The slope of the stair should be between 30 degree to 50 degree. For a comfortable staircase, you need an angle of at least 30 degrees. Still, it depends on the space available, but you can exceed the angle to as much as 45 to 50 degrees. The angle of stairs can be anything from 25 degrees to 45 degrees with a recommended angle of between 30–38 degrees. Different countries have different standards and recommendations. Point number 14. The riser in stairs is between 150 to 200 mm, and tread is between 250 to 300 mm. Tread, the horizontal top portion of a step where foot rests, is known as tread. The dimension ranges from 270 mm for residential buildings and factories to 300 mm for public buildings where large number of persons use the staircase. Riser, the vertical distance between two successive steps, is termed as riser. The dimension of the riser ranges from 150 mm for public buildings to 190 mm for residential buildings and factories. More technical information. Weight of one cement bag equals 50 kg. Density of cement equals 1440 kg cubic meter. Number of cement bag in 1 cubic meter equals 28.8 bags. Minimum thickness of slab is 125 mm. Maximum free fall of concrete allowed is 1.50 m. Earthwork excavation for basement above 3 meter should be stepped form. A set of cube tests shall be carried out for each 30 km of concrete, each levels of casting, each batch of cement. Cement more than 3 months old cannot be used in construction process. Water-cement ratio for different grades of concrete shall not exceed 0.45 for M20 and above and 0.50 for M10-M15. Cement shall be stored in dry places on a raised platform about 200 mm above floor level and 300 mm away from walls. Bags to be stacked not more than 10 bags high in such a manner that it is adequately protected from moisture and contamination. Samples from fresh concrete shall be taken and at least a set of 6 cubes of 150 mm shall be prepared and cured. 3 cubes each at 7 days and 28 days shall be tested for compressive strength. The test results should be submitted to engineer for approval. If results are unsatisfactory, necessary action/rectification/remedial measures has to be exercised. Water used for both mixing and curing shall be clean and free from injurious amounts of oils, acids, alkali, salts, sugar and organic materials or other substances that may be deleterious to concrete or steel. The pH shall be generally between 6 and 8. Thank you for watching. More videos related to technical specification will be uploaded soon. For now, please subscribe, like, share and do not forget to press bell icon.